multiply both sides of the equation by something that will enable me to get rid of the fractions. What's a common denominator for all the denominators? 10. 10 will do it. Multiply by 10. Get rid of that blinking cursor there. Very annoying. Okay. You remember how we talked about this shortcut in class? 2 goes into 10. 5 times 1.
5x.
So this would give me 5x. Minus 5 goes into 10.
2.
And then 2 times 9.
Negative
18. Very nice. Equals. That's how I keep my equal sign lined up. 5 goes into 10. 2 times 7.
14x.
All right, and now I have a much friendlier equation. There's no like terms that I need to combine on the left side, no parentheses anymore, nothing, no fractions. That's why we multiply both sides of the equation by 10. Okay, so now you have a choice to make. Whether you want to move your x's to the left or to the right. So, you know, if you, some students would say, well, I'm just going to bring the x over here. Other students are going to bring the x over here. It doesn't matter, just do it carefully and you'll be okay. Since I heard subtract 5x, I'm going to do that. Minus 5x. 5x minus 5x is 0. These two terms cancel out. What's left on the left-hand side? Negative 18. And here I have 14x minus 5x. 14 minus 5? 9x. Then I'm going to divide by 9 both sides of the equation so that x is by itself. And I get negative 18 divided by 9. The 9's cancel out and I have x. Alright, so that's the, you can write, I want to show you something so that is acceptable as an answer. I just want to point out something to you very quickly. If you had this problem, I want to make sure you understand you can do it the other way. You can say, alright, I don't want x's on the right hand side. Some students like to keep the x's on the left. That's perfectly okay. Let's see what happens here. If you decide to cancel the 14x, how would we do it? Minus 14x, and then minus 14x from the other side of the equation. So 5 minus 14, negative 9x. What else? Minus 18 equals, what's left here? That's right. A lot of students cancel that and they drop the equal sign because everything cancels and then they don't have an equation anymore. They get confused. Don't forget that your equation always has two sides. You have to say what's left on this side. 0. There was nothing. We didn't have to write it here because there was 0 minus 18. That was negative 18. I didn't need to see a 0 there. Then you would add 18 to both sides. And that's an extra step on this problem if you do it this way, right? The 18's cancel out, you have negative 9x equals 0 plus 18. And then you divide by negative 9. And you get x equals negative. Same answer as before, now the x is on the left-hand side as opposed to the right.